Hi everyone, welcome back to Geese Wellness channel. Today we are talking about the 23rd solar term, Lesser Cold. Its usually falls between January 5th and 7th, and is also the very first solar term of the new year. When Lesser Cold arrives, it basically tells us, get ready, the coldest days of the year are here. There's an old saying, during lesser cold, the chill goes deep, cold enough to make you shake. That's how freezing its period can be. But interestingly, palm blossoms, camellias, and narcissus flowers still bloom beautifully during this time. Ancient people divided this period into 3 stages. First, wild geese head north again. Even though it's cold, young energy is starting to rise, so the geese follow nature's rhythm. Second, magpies start building nests. They can feel the growing warmth and begin build their house. Third, pheasants start crowing, where pheasants sense the increase in young energy and start calling loudly. This is the perfect time to eat foods that warm the body and nourish the kidneys, like lamb, black sesame, black beans, black fungus, walnuts, longan, and chestnuts. Here are some great choices. Yam, apple, longan, a trackless porridge. It strengthens the spleen and the lungs, both energy, nourishes blood, and supports immunity. Lamb soup with angelic energetics. Warm, comforting, great for boosting qi and blood, perfect for cold days. 腊八 porridge, a traditional winter food, made with a mix of grains, nuts, and dried fruit. Slow cooked, fragrant, sweet, and super warming. And of course, hot pot with lamb, roast chestnut, and baked sweet potato are winter favorites you can't go wrong with. To handle the cold more easily, try the simple habits. Keep gentle exercise, yoga, tai chi, walking, jogging, stretching. Anything that help warm up the body and improve circulation. Massage your scalp with your fingers. It helps lift your energy and keeps your body more resistant to cold. Soak your feet before bed. Warm water plus a gentle massage on the soles help improves circulation and keeps your hands and feet warm. Get some sunshine, especially on your back. Winter has strong yin and weak yang, so soaking up some sunlight helps warm the body and support kidney energy. I hope today's lesser cold wellness tip help you stay warm, energized, and healthy during this chilling season. Thank you for following Geese Wellness channel. Stay tuned for the next solar term, Great Cold.